Have you ever seen a smartphone that costs $20,000, $50,000, or even over $100,000? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what Vertu is all about. So why would anyone spend the price of a luxury car on a phone? Let's find out. First, Vertu isn't trying to compete with the latest iPhone or Samsung Galaxy. It's built for people who want something rare and exclusive. Every Vertu phone is handcrafted, and in many models, a single craftsman assembles the entire device from start to finish. Some even include the craftsman's signature inside the phone. Now let's talk about the materials. Instead of regular aluminum or glass, Vertu uses grade 5 titanium, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, premium leather, ceramic, and carbon fiber. Some limited editions even feature gold and diamonds. But the luxury doesn't stop there. One of Vertu's most famous features is its 24/7 concierge service. Imagine having a personal assistant available to help book luxury hotels, reserve tables at exclusive restaurants, or even arrange special travel experiences, all from your phone. Some of the latest Vertu models also include Web3 features, encrypted communication for extra privacy, AI-powered tools, and high-end cameras. While they're capable smartphones, they're still not designed to beat the latest iPhone or Samsung in performance. So why do people buy them? For the same reason people buy a Rolex instead of a regular watch. It's about craftsmanship, exclusivity, premium materials, and status. A Vertu phone isn't just a gadget, it's a luxury statement. Would you spend tens of thousands of dollars on a smartphone? Let me know your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tech content.